And once again, I went live without informing you guys that I was going to go live. I don't know why I do this. It's just that I'm very spontaneous. And ऐसे मेरा mood बनता है मैं live आ जाती हूँ. So I never plan it. So I forget to inform you guys. But if you can join, please join and let's talk for a bit. I haven't gone live in a long time, I think. I think the last time I was live, I was shooting in Chennai. I just finished shooting and I was super bored, so I thought I'll just go live and entertain myself for a bit and then leave. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, everybody. What are you guys doing? I have a very fun day planned ahead. I mean, fun for me is actually just exercise. I don't do anything else. I dance and I'm not a party person, strangely, because I love dancing. And I don't like to dance properly all the time. I go that kind of dancing I really like. So that's kind of my mood, but I don't party. If you see me in a party, you will see me sitting like this. Hello, hi, Ritika. I'll be like this. I don't know what happens to me. I think I feel too conscious because everybody's having fun and I feel very conscious. So that's why I don't go to clubs. And I don't dress for a club. If you see me in a club, you'll probably see me like this. You will never see me in a club, first of all. But if you see me, I can guarantee you I'll be wearing a hoodie. Okay, I think a lot of you have joined. अभी मैं पढ़ती हूँ, आप लोग क्या बोल रहे हो? You are so pretty, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin. Caitlin, my friend from our dance incentive is here. Sorry, intensive incentive, it seems. Intensive is here. Hi, Caitlin. How are you? Oh, Ritika Singh FC is here. Hello. Hi, girls. Ma'am, please don't forget to come. First of all, don't call me ma'am. If you call me ma'am, please don't call me ma'am. I feel so old already. I'm turning 28 in December. Can you believe it? Does this person look like she's 28? So sad. Anyway, sorry, I'll continue reading. Please don't forget to come to JNK at least once. Your fans are waiting for you. Oh, yeah, I want to. I've been watching a few YouTube documentaries like vlogs and stuff, and JNK is so beautiful. I really want to go. So I hope one day I can plan a trip to JNK and I can meet everybody. I can host maybe a small meet and greet. I don't know how many people will show up. But Priya, I hope to see you. I hope I can see you in JNK when I'm there. If not, if I fail to come there, you come to Mumbai and let's chill for a bit. Okay, reading. Hi Ritika, how are you? I'm good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you're good too. Give me some love. JagXX_. Take it. Take it, take it, take it. Sari photo shoot was awesome, ma'am. Oh, thank you. It was so much work. Oof. When I think of that photo shoot and I see the outcome, it's miraculous because oh my god, the shoot was so much fun and so many things went wrong. My sunscreen, first of all, Sneha, my makeup artist, was pissed off. She's like, what sunscreen are you wearing? It kept peeling. It kept coming off and it kept mixing with the makeup. And my skin somehow looked weird that day only because of the sunscreen. So the makeup did not look as good as Sneha usually makes it look. So that went bad and then I fell into the pond and all that happened. You all know the story. So yeah. But the pictures are great, right? Oof, so good, so good. I love Anita's work. I love the whole team. They did a great job. Okay, I'm reading. Are you filming any new movies? Caitlin is asking me. I finished one. I wrapped up one film in August and I think July. I don't remember exactly. August I wrapped up and then I came back to Bombay. It's really interesting. I can't talk a lot about it. I'm very restricted because the team hasn't made an official announcement yet. But when they do, I'm going to message you, Caitlin. It's going to be so cool. Reading. अरे कहाँ गए सारे क्वेश्चंस? आई थिंक आई एम मिसिंग आउट ऑन अ फ्यू. ஸ்பீக் இன் தமிழ். என்ன சொல்லணும்? இந்த முடி ரொம்ப இப்போ காலி ஆயிடுச்சு. எனக்கு தெரியாது இது என்னது ஹேர் ஸ்டைல். திஸ் இஸ் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் இங்கிலீஷ் ஹைப்ரிட். பிகாஸ் இப்போ டச் போச்சு. நான் மும்பைக்கு என் வீட்டுக்கு வரும்போது எனக்கு ஆள் இல்லை தமிழ் பேசுங்காக. Oh my god, am I doing it okay? Please let me know if I'm doing it okay. I am trying to translate. Like I know a person is all, so I'm trying to speak like that. Neeraj Goyat is here once again to eat my little head. Hello Neeraj ji. Hello. Aao mera sar khao. Neeraj is my bestie. He's my best friend. He is my one-stop shop for everything in life. But I give him a lot of shit. And so does he. That's just how we bond. Did you watch BTS perform in the UN? Yes, I am so proud. Oh my god, I am so proud of them. I was so happy to see that when I got a notification on my YouTube. Like, you know how when they uploaded that video, I was like, wow, this is amazing. I was insanely happy and so proud as a fan. So proud. Jimin, can we please talk about Jimin? I'm obsessed. Okay, reading. You are so simple and you're looking gorgeous. Give some curly hair tips. Aw, thank you. Curly hair tips. Don't do this. Number one tip. Do not do this. What I've done to my hair. Don't put it up in buns like this. And please wash it. I haven't washed it. But you want to see what it looks like? Let's do a hair reveal. Hey Ram. 1 second. Cue slow-mo. Yeah, it looks like this. So don't do this. And please wash your hair. अब इसको बांधेगा कौन? ये मैंने क्यों खोल दिया मेरे बाल? Hey Ram. Okay, no problem. Let's rock this. You can rock anything as long as you feel good about it here. Free का ज्ञान. Okay, moving on. Oh, hi, Gurleen. Gurleen is here. She's my friend from, I think, since I was 14 years old. Like my baby friend. And she's also a makeup artist and she's very pretty. Hi, Gurleen. My question is, when are you meeting me? Oh my god, yeah. We haven't met in what, years now? Ages? I don't even remember when I met you. 2018, I think. Yes. Soon. We will meet soon. சரி இப்போ போனா. I love the way you are and keep rocking like you always do. Oh, thank you so much. I'll continue to rock. Let me just fix my hair. 2 seconds. Till then you guys keep talking to each other, entertain each other. I just need to fix this because this is not done. 1 second. Now how will I fix this? This is a real situation. Ow. Ah. Oh no. Works. Okay, I'll just keep my head tilted to this side because this side looks like this. But it's okay, right? You guys won't make fun of me, no? So I'll carry on like this. Hey, can you burp on purpose? No, I can't. I've tried. I can't burp on purpose. Can't. Is BTS Jimin handsome? Hello? Did you seriously just ask me that? Took me a full twirl to internalize that question. Jimin is hot. Jimin is sexy. Jimin is handsome. Jimin is cute. Jimin is everything. I think it's impossible for a man to have all those faults. I think Jimin can attract anybody and everybody. Regardless of how they feel about individuals, I think Jimin just has that. Jimin is great. I love him so much. I'm so obsessed. Okay, moving on. You're adorable, ma'am. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Dying to see you in Instagram live finally. Yeah, it took me a long time. I just never find the right time. I never announce it, first of all, so that's bad. I kind of want to talk to you guys and add you here, but the last time I tried that, some guys were not accepting and some girls were accepting, but the connection was bad, so it didn't go as planned. Dear Ritika, you have a very cool dancing style. It's totally effortless. Love it. You are an awesome artist. Keep dancing and keep rocking, girl. Lots of love. Oh, thank you so much. Diya Pandian, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I don't know, I'm not a dancer, but I like to dance. And I like to learn new things. And I like to pick up styles. And yeah, I like to keep it chill and effortless. But at the same time, I also like going very high energy. I think very high energy is like my zone. You know, the mass, kuttu, and the madri feel is my zone. But at the same time, I like these very slow, chill, effortless vibes. But thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you. Best Tamil I ever heard. Yeah, நான் ரொம்ப ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ ரொம்ப ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. நான் சென்னைக்கு போய் டைலாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் படி ஃபுல் இங்கே ரெஜிஸ்டர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அண்ட் எனக்கு லாங்குவேஜஸ் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. ஸோ நான் பிக்கப் பண்ணுறேன் இப்படி. I love it. I love learning new languages. So I'm always open to that. Okay, I'm reading more questions. So happy for Ashok and OMK team for Saima Award. I know, right? That's insane. I was so happy. And he got Best Actor Critics Choice. So that was amazing. I was so happy for him. He was so happy. And he looked great. And Abhinaya, she looked amazing. She looked stunning. So pretty. Could you share about... Okay, wait. You need to do a K-pop dance soon. Hi Aryan. Aryan is my bestie from Singapore. He's not Indian anymore. अब तो वो सिंगापुर चला गया तो वहीं का हो गया. I know. I want to do. I don't know if you heard that song. La Lisa love me, La Lisa love me. Call me La Lisa love me, La Lisa love me. Have you heard that? It's by Lisa from Blackpink. What a song. What a choreography. What a performance. What an exceptional dancer. So good. So yeah, I want to do that. And then she goes like this. Oh, Chana Alchu. I forgot the lyrics. Of course, I don't know the lyrics. And I also know mic drop. Na 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 ta ta ta. What you think about that? What you think about that? Na 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 na. Haters calling sick. Follow me. What you? Oh, I'm doing a bad job butchering the lyrics. But I know the choreography. I know it. Every time it plays on TV, I get up and dance. So I know the choreography. Are you single? I'm always single. I am. Aryan, are you joining a K-pop class? That's so cute. That's cute. Send me a video. I would like to join a K-pop class too. And yeah, when it comes to me being single, I'm always single. My DMs are always open. Hit me up. Send me nice messages. If it's actually really nice, I do respond. Yeah. I do. It's true. Okay. Oh God, I'm very hungry. Dance for How You Like That. How you like that? Ta 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 na na. You don't like that? Ta da da ta ta da da ta. I know the choreography. Look at you now. Look at me. Look at you now. Look at me. Look at you now. Look at me. How you like that? I love Blackpink. I think when I saw Jennie, I lost my heart, I lost my mind, I lost my whole being when I saw Jennie. Jennie Kim, she's something else. Nobody looks like her. Jennie and Jimin. Even Lisa, actually. Lisa is so stunning. Rosie, everybody. Jisoo. Aryan. Oh. Aryan, my friend is saying, also correction, you are an amazing dancer, not just someone who loves to dance. But yaar, thank you yaar. Thank you. I danced in school, but I was never confident enough to dance in college. I did not think I could do it. Even now, I don't know. I don't know if I can still call myself an amazing dancer, but I love to dance, yeah. And thank you, Aryan. I'm very humbled. Um, is it natural beauty or yes? Okay, so on my skin right now, there is nothing like there's no concealer or anything. There's sunscreen that I put in the morning, and I've put kajal, which you can clearly see because it has smudged, and I've filled in my eyebrows, and I've put some lip balm, lip tint. That's it. That's it. It's honestly good lighting and a good routine and good genes. My mom has really good skin. And why am I so close to the camera right now? Okay, I'm going back. So I was saying my mom has really good skin, my dad has good skin, and everybody in my family is just my family. If you see my mom and my dad, they're so good looking, it blows my mind. My dad, oof. Yeah, so maybe the skin comes from there. Not maybe, 100% sure it comes from there. Okay, I am reading. Hi, doctor. Dr. Rashmi Shetty is also here. Hi. She's the best. I haven't seen her in like 2 years. She's my skin doctor, but I haven't gone to her clinic in 2 years, I think. I think the last time I went was sometime in 2018, 19 or something. I don't even remember. And she's always been available on phone. Whenever I have a skin issue, I just message her and she helps me always. She's damn nice. Thank you, doctor. Okay, should I save this live or should I just, delete this after it's done? Let me know. You are so pretty. Thank you. Thank you, AX underscore Shreya. Your woman reel was really amazing. Hey, thank you. Oh my god, my clothes. My clothes are not nice. What is this? I stood up in a lot of enthusiasm, but then I realized my clothes are shit. So no. But yeah, it was nice. I could have gone high energy when I was doing that. I can go very high energy, but I didn't because I feel like the slow, graceful, feeling yourself kind of a vibe looks good on that song because the lyrics are like that. Touching, touching me, touching. It's very like, feel, groove, sexy, So that's why I did it like that. I did it super chill. Save it, gorgeous. Okay, Mukesh Kumar, I will probably save it. Last series you watched? I watched Sex Education season 3. I love that show. And please tell me I'm not the only one who's rooting for Ruby and Otis more than I'm rooting for Ruby and Otis more than I'm rooting for Maeve and Otis. I love Ruby. I relate to her so much. I relate to her character so much. She's one of those people who's very like strong on the surface. She will never let you see through, But once you get to know her, she's cotton candy. I love Ruby. So yeah, I watched Sex Education 3. Right now I'm watching My Hero Academia. I think I'm on season 5. Jackson from Sex Education is so hot. Oh my god. There's a scene in season 2, I think, where he's feeding himself in front of the mirror. I think he's doing some dance steps and I just died. Oof. Jackson is Jackson. I mean, wow. His pictures on Instagram are also very woo. Yeah, I love Jackson too. Okay. I will die for. Do not die for me. Please, that is the last thing I want you to do. Do not die for me. Don't worry, I will say your name. Your name is Mr. Lucky Prince. Lucky Prince, do not die. Okay, I want you to live. For me and for you and for the entire human race. Okay, please live. Okay, moving on. I'm missing a lot of questions. I'm so sorry because I'm not able to see them. They're going by so fast. Recent sari photo shoot was awesome. I know. Thank you. Credit goes to the whole team, honestly, because I was doing a very bad job of falling into the pond and tumbling and constantly like walking like this. So the credit goes to the team. They pulled this off. Okay, I'm going up and reading. Should I try and take some of you guys in on this live? I will try. Hold on. Let me check my requests. Let's try and take 1, 2, 3. 3 people. Join me. Let's see if they accept or not. Okay. One person declined. Other person also declined. Who
Hi.
just joined? Hi. 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 I cannot see your name on my screen. What is your name?
Sneha.
Hi, Sneha. I'm so happy you joined because everybody else declined. Too much noise.
What are you doing?
Nothing much, chilling. Sneha, I'll have to cut you off because there's too much noise in the background and I don't know how to cut you off. So can you exit the call? I'm so sorry. It was very nice to meet you, but I have to go because there's too much noise in the background, so I have to take somebody else.
Okay, okay,
Bye,
fine.
Sneha. Thank you. Bye bye.
Music டைம் சொல்ல டப்புனா எடுக்கல டப்பு மியூசிக் அவ்வளோதான் மாவளம் போட்டுக்கிறேன்
Okay, this is how you. Okay, this is how you can remove somebody. I just figured it out. Okay, next. अभी हम किसी और को ढूंढते हैं. Please मेरी request decline मत करना. Who do I? Okay, there is. I'm seeing all my requests. Give me 1 second. Uh, Anu and okay, it's still loading. Queen Fighter, Abhinaya, and let's try. Okay, 4 requests. Let's see who accepts. Mostly people decline me. I don't know why. I wish my hair was looking better. Oh, 2 people accepted. Hi.
Hello, hi, ma'am.
Hi. I'm so glad you accepted. First of all, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I think we have 3 people now on call, isn't
Hello.
it?
Excuse me?
I really.
Ritika accepted my live request.
Hi. Hi.
யாரு
Hello, please. என் கிட்ட பேசுங்க. Okay, there are people gossiping in the background. Okay, this is. I cannot hear you. Hi. Okay, wait.
Hi.
Um. Oh, this is stressful. This is stressful. I want somebody with a good Wi-Fi connection so I can at least speak to you guys and no noise in the background so we can at least talk. Otherwise, it's very difficult. I love your eyes. Thank you. Ma'am, how are you doing these days? I'm doing good. I have a very bad knee injury. So I'm dealing with that. I'm trying to avoid exercises like I'm not sprinting, I'm not kicking. But if I do kickboxing, then it still hurts because I'm always standing like, I forgot, my clothes are not so great. I'm always standing like this, like on my legs. So there's still constant pressure on my legs, and I'm moving in unexpected ways because kickboxing may you move like that. So it still hurts, but when I do hit, I try to avoid jumping movements so it doesn't cause so much pain to me. But it's bad. My knee hurts so much. But I'll get through. I hope it's okay soon. I'm not accepting requests anymore because I'm scared that it'll go wrong. So let's just talk. Any other questions? It's almost 7:30. I have to go get ready for kickboxing class. So a last few minutes. Mm, okay, I'm reading. I'm not adding anybody right now. I think my mom is going to call me. Or true. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, what is your next movie? It's something very interesting, something very different than what I've shot for, and a very different character also. You'll see me in a very different light. It's very cool. Oh, I hate how my hair is looking right now. Give me 1 second. Oh, I think someone asked skincare routine. Hi Pooja, skincare routine. I want to do a video on it, but I use a lot of Indian pharmacy products like Cetaphil and sunscreens. Also, I use like Fix Derma and what else do I? La Shield sometimes. I keep it super simple, but I have a few products that I really like that are sort of high maintenance. Everything else is super simple. I am planning to do a video on it. I think I should do a video on it now. Let me know if I should do a video on my skincare routine. Okay? Ah, okay, 1 second. My hair is giving me a very tough time because I haven't chopped it. See, can you see? It's so rough because I haven't chopped it in like almost a year now. What do you do for your hair? I should do a lot more for my hair than I do. Um, I get lazy, okay, because I exercise sometimes 3 times a day. So imagine now and I sweat a lot. I think in my life, I know just one person who sweats as much as me, and that is me. Nobody sweats as much as me. I sweat so much. So imagine 3 times in a day, my hair is getting super wet. Now I cannot do a hair wash every single time I work out now. So I get lazy. So I should be taking more care of my hair than I am right now. But usually it's very simple. Shampoo, conditioner. If I don't have curl cream, if I don't have curl cream, this is in emergency situation, I'll put a little bit, this much of my face moisturizer because my moisturizer is free of any fragrances. It's very simple. So I'll put that sometimes and then I'll put a curling gel sometimes and then leave it. But if I'm at home, I don't style it because I'm not going anywhere. So I'll just wash, condition. कंडीशन भी कभी कभी नहीं करती हूँ मैं ऑनेस्टली मुझे बहुत आलस आता है घर पे हूँ ना मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ मैं कहीं भी नहीं जा रही तो मैं कंडीशन भी नहीं करती हूँ बट आइडियली वॉश कंडीशन एंड देन लीव इट बट there are so many buts it's a long routine not long as in long but it's kind of different on different days yes that's what I meant to say okay I think I got a few questions here. Dude, you're such a sport. Keep it up. Oh, thank you, Febra Francis. Thank you so much. Thank you. I mean, technically, I am a sport because I'm literally sport. I train all the time. So yeah, I think that's where it comes from. Thank you so much. How was your experience in Kerala during Oh My Kadavle shoot? It was amazing. Oh my God. It was more of like a picnic. I did not even think I was on shoot. Although we were shooting for 24 hours, 48 hours, no sleep, no rest whatsoever. Ashok had a sunstroke. It was that hectic. But it never once felt like a huge responsibility. It felt amazing. I think it's just Kerala. The vibes are so, it's beautiful. I want to go again, but I've heard the situation there is really bad, COVID wise. So everybody from Kerala, please take care of yourselves. Please stay home and please take all the precautions, as many as you can, to take care of you and your family. Yeah, my mom called again. Sorry. I'm just reading a last few. Can you start a YouTube channel? I really want to, but I have commitment issues. So I don't know if I'll be able to commit to uploading as often as I should. So yeah, I want to. So thank you so much for saying that. Shoot a video reel, please, to good cover songs. I will. I should, na. I will. I'll pick up a few more choreographies and do that. Okay, a lot of yeses for the skincare routine. I'll probably sit on it. And I'll do the routine live on camera. So I'll wash my face and put on the next steps on camera so you guys can see what is happening. Okay, I think it's time for me to go. So this is their original skin or have you applied makeup? No, this is my real skin. I'll take you real close. See, I've just put some kajal. Yeah, there's no, you can see my slight blemishes that I have here. So no, I don't put makeup on. Even when I'm getting ready to go out, if I have to put makeup, I don't use a foundation. In extremely emergency cases, I'll put some concealer on. Emergency means if I haven't slept well last night or if I feel too tired, then I'll put some concealer, just like 1, 2. That's it. And then I'll blend. That's it. I don't put anything on my skin. I'll add blush and stuff, but nothing that covers the skin because I don't like it. I like to keep it free. So that's kind of like my makeup routine, which also I have to do on a video. So many things to do. I'll do it for sure. I'll do it. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for joining, you guys. I could not give you a prior notice that I was going to go live, but I was live for quite some time, I think 30, 40 minutes. And I think I might save this. Okay. So I'll see you soon. Next time, I hope we can all find a good Wi-Fi connection and noiseless backgrounds so we can all talk to each other also. Thank you so much. And please make sure you go and see my stories. I need your help with that project that I'm doing. I'll show you. This project, I need your help with this. Okay. You will know what this is when you go to my stories and see them. Okay. So please check them out and let me know what you think about it. And see you soon. Bye. I love you. Good night. Have a great day. A great evening. Sleep well. Bye.